Wala, babe. Babe is crying.
Oh?
Kau bye-bye dah mo kau. Laag mo bye-bye kau.
Bebe dah. Dagat.
Bye-bye mo kau. Laag mo tatay.
Pa.
Laag, tatay Ronald. Kau.
Pa.
Is that your new toy?
Yeah.
What is the name of the toy again?
Shark.
Shark na
Yeah.
Dah.
swim
Yeah, swimming water.
in the water,
Yeah, it's shaking tail.
shaking tails, wiggling tail. Where did you buy that toy? Sa store.
Ano yung isa sa solo?
So what is smoke? Is smoke.
Yo. Cut.
Cut. The cut is mean cut. Cut is mean cut. Where is the cut? The cut is mean cut. Mean cut ang cuts. It's on the roof. Yes. Where's your new toy? Shark. Where's a new toy, Shark?
What?
Where are you going?
Pwede rin.
Gray has a new toy. It's called. What's this called? Shark. Where's the tail wiggling? Baby shark, baby shark, baby shark, baby shark, baby shark, baby shark, tururut. Baby shark, baby shark. No, wiggling, nagwiggle ang tail. Gray has a new toy. It's called Shark. Baby shark.
Go. Singing.
Go, baby shark.
Meet and greet. Meet and greet. Meet and greet. Ano ba? Meet and greet. Tudut. Meet and greet. Tudut. Meet and
Hiding.
greet. Ano ba?
Hiding, Gray, hide.